Hello student, welcome to my tuition Mathematics corner. I am Mukul subject teacher. Today also I shall discuss one problem that is which is most important, which is in the exercise number 7.3. Last class also I have discussed some problem. This is last problem and exercise number 7.3. How many ways the letters of the word permutations can be arranged such that each word start with P and end with I. In each word, vowels are together. In each word, there are 4 letters between P and I. There are 3 problems here. At first, we solve one. That is solution 1. Number of letters. Number of letters in the word permutations is equal to, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters. Where number of T, here T is double here, but other letters is single. Here P to 2 bar আছে, বাকি নাম্বাৰবিলাক এবাৰে ওলাইছে, গতিকে ইয়াত T টো লিখিব লাগিব, T 2 বাৰ আছে. Given that each word will start with P, and end with I. We can arrange these as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 letters. Each letter, each word is started with P, so we have to place P here. P at boho lagibo, or here I boho lagibo. Therefore, P and I are fixed. At first, we put P in the first. We put P in the first place. And I in the last place. That is, P is the first, I is in the last place. Remaining places. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remaining places 10. Our 10টা বেলেগ প্লেস থাকিব. এই 10টা প্লেসত আমি পি আৰু আইৰ বাহিৰে বাকি লেটাৰ কোটা আমি এৰেঞ্জ কৰিব লাগে, বহুৱাব লাগিব. These 10 places to be filled by 10 letters. 10 letters in which number of T is equal to. Therefore, total number of words. Therefore, total number of words. Total number of words starting with P. Starting with P and ending with I equal to total number of words. Here we have to P and I are fixed. Therefore, we have to arrange 10 number in 10 places. This is factorial 10, and there are number of T is 2. Therefore, this is factorial 2. And after simplification, we get value of this will be 181440. This is about the first problem. Next problem. This is in each word vowels are together. In each word vowels are together. If all vowels are together, remember, if all vowels are together, in the word permutation, in the word permutations, PERMUTATIONS, number of letters is equal to 12. Where number of vowels, here 5, here 5টা vowel আছে here, A, E, I, O, U, 5টা vowel আছে here, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. Yes. If we consider 5 vowels as one letter, then one of such permutations or arrangement, one of the permutations will like as follows. এটা এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ পাৰমুটেশ্যন হ'ব পাৰে আমাৰ পি ফাইলবিলাক একেলগে থাকিব এ ই আই অ' ইউ আৰ আদাৰ লেটাৰ্ছ are R M T N T S. Other letters are interesting. If we consider all vowels is one letter, if we consider 5 vowels as one letter, the number of letters will be, if we consider 5 vowels as one letter, that's all we have to know, the number of letters, there is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where number of T 2. Therefore, permutation of 8 number. Permutation of 8 letters is equal to factorial 8, and there is number of 2 is 2. But 5 vowels also, 5 vowels also can be arranged in factorial 5 ways. Actually, we can arrange 5 vowels also. There is A, I, O. We can take A, I, E, O, and other ways. That is, we can arrange 5 vowels in factorial 5 ways. Therefore, required number of odd. If vowels are together, that is factorial 8 divided by factorial 2. This is factorial 2 is 4. There is number of these 2, and factorial 5 because 5 vowels can be arranged in factorial 5 ways. This is after simplification. We can get this values is 2 0 2 4 0 0. Last one is that is. Next one is third one is there are 4 letters between P and I. One of such arrangement can be done as follows. Where is 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 there. As P 1 2 3 there are 4 other number P আৰু I ৰ মাজত বেলেগ সাইড থাকিব ইয়াত I থাকিব. One of such arrangement is P আৰু I ৰ মাজত চাৰিটা বেলেগ letter থাকিব. Here P and I are fixed. Remaining number of letters your total numbers will our 12 minus 2 that remaining 10 number, in which number of T is equal to 2. The number of odds in this arrangement will be there are factorial 10 divided by factorial 2 because number of T is 2, and P and I are fixed. Only 10 places are to be filled with 10 numbers. This is factorial 10 divided by 2. But we can change the position of P or I. If we put I here and P is here, there is another arrangement. We can place P here also, then I is here. We can place P here, then I is there. We can place P here, I is there, and vice versa. So, but there are 14 such arrangement. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ arrangement আমি 14 number পাম. 14 such arrangement. 14 such arrangement কিয়? কাৰণ P আৰু I টো চেঞ্জ কৰিলে I টো ইয়াত দিলে P টো ইয়াত দিলে দুটা পাম. ঠিক তেনেকৈ P ইয়াত দিলে I ইয়াত দিলে বেলেগ এটা পাম. এনেকৈ ধৰণে আমি যদি আগবাঢ়ি গৈ থাকোঁ P টো ইয়াতে গৈ তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি এনেকৈ আৰু I টো চেঞ্জ কৰি দিব পাৰোঁ. I টো ইয়াত দিলে তেতিয়াহ'লে আমি টোটেল নাম্বাৰ 14 such arrangement পাম. Therefore, total number of odd if there are there are 4 letters between P and I is equal to, that is factorial 10 divided by factorial 2 digits, and this one arrangement, and there is 14 number of such arrangement, therefore we have to multiply with 14, and after simplification we get this is 245401600. After we get this result. So this is the problem, and next class I shall discuss about what is combination. I am Mukul.